You are welcome once again to Mama Franca'S kitchen. And today on our tutorials, we are going to learn how to make green sauce. And these are my ingredients and tools. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now. Because we have a whole lot of tutorials there. Videos on marriage, dating and love, and that of my talk show. After subscribing, there's going to be a bell beside the subscription button. Click on that bell. And whenever we post new videos, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thank you. My ingredients are pakoshito, or what we call green habanero. I also have chopped spring onion, ginger, deseeded green pepper, shrimp cube, iodinated salt, chopped onions, a little water for blending, vegetable oil, and my tools are wooden spoon, frying pan, blender. So these are all my tools. So let's start. Okay, so we are adding all vegetables together to blend, except the shrimp cube and salt. Then you add just a little water, not too much. The water is just to help it blend. So quickly, I'm going to blend it off camera and we'll come and continue. So this is our blended vegetables. Let's start. I've put my frying pan on that already. So the next thing you have to do is to put in your oil. Please don't let your frying pan become hot before putting in the oil. And the oil, we just need a little. Our vegetables aren't much. Straight out, we are going to put everything into the oil. Okay, so the next thing we are going to add is our shrimp cube. And salt to taste. Because of the cube, we don't have to add too much salt. Moreover, you can also check and correct it. So just a little, it's okay. Preparation of green sauce doesn't take much time. It's between 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your cooker's temperature. You see, the green sauce has other variations. Please, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so now, because we have a whole lot of tutorials there, videos on talk show, videos on love, relationship, dating, and marriage. By the way, if you want to attend any best vocational school in Ghana, then I introduce to you Franca'S Vocational School in Abuna Pedro, where they have courses in fashion designing, catering, event and floral decor, hat making, building construction, electricals. For enquiries, please call 0208 159 427. I assure you of the best education in vocational and technical skills. So this sauce can be variated depending upon the kind of spices you want. Actually, as I always say on my videos, I don't like adding a whole lot of spices to food, because when you are eating any food, you don't have to eat spices. Most people, when they cook for you and you eat, you only have the feeling of some kind of spices and not the food. So I don't add a lot of spices to my food. yet it's the best you can ever have. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We are done already. Watch. It's very green. I don't discolor my green sauce. Although sometimes I see some green sauces that has been discolored. But this is okay. It's nice and very appetizing. Green sauces can be eaten with our Ghanaian komi. It can be eaten with fish, meat. It can be used also for seasoning, which in some of my tutorials, we'll be talking about some of the things that you can use the green sauce for seasoning. So we are done for today. We are done. So let's have a close look. Okay? As I said, it's very green. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mama Francisca to the World. Hit on the notification button for updates and to be notified of all our new uploaded videos. Also, like my page on Facebook, Mama Francisca's Kitchen. To run your advert on this show and for any other or services, call or WhatsApp 0542 619011. Don't forget to visit my website www.mamafranciscatotheworld.org. Until we meet again.